wabarakatuh. This is Rashid Al-Amri, chairman for 22 Group. And today we are very proud and very honored that we have done our press release today, and we are very happy that the participants and all the women, they came from worldwide, and we are looking forward to do audition all over the world. So that is what our next expansion. So we are looking to do audition in India, in Pakistan, in UK, US, Canada, Sri Lanka, all over the world. So looking forward to all the women to participate and grow this platform worldwide. Thank you very much.
Being a woman, I'm saying this thing, come and join this Khatoon, so we can bring that positivity, that energies, that vibes inside, so we can promote this modesty across the world. So the girls who are in traditional, our tradition is like full-fledged covered body. This is our tradition in all the religions, so we can promote this thing, modest. So come and join Khatoon International.
Khatoon International is organized by Achi Rashid Al-Amri and Bharti Monga. It's the world's first fashion walk in the history, celebrating the success of women across the globe, embracing the concepting of diversity and inclusion, promoting female empowerment, and celebrating natural beauty as the way of the future. Khatoon International is the platform where beautiful, mysterious and free women will be walking the ramp wearing modesty. Woman empowerment doesn't come in one form, it comes in many forms: look, personality expression, fitness, self-confidence. More importantly, ability in human relations, and all these will be judged. We have two categories, Miss and Mrs. for age.
طبعا أعرف عن نفسي أحمد محمد بن شبوط، COO بالنسبة حق 22 جروب، وكذلك خاتون. طبعا احنا مختارين اللقب هذا أساس انه يكون اللقب هذا لقب حق الحرمة النبيلة اللي هي طعمرك اللي تشل كل العائلة، مثل الأم والأخت والعمة والخالة. ونحن اختارينا هذا اللقب بخصوص انه نخلي الحرمة نبيلة ولها في المجتمع والتجارة، وبغينا ندعم المرأة في اسم خاتون. شكرا جزيلا.
Introduce yourself and about some few words. Khatoon International.
Hello, my name is Zulema. I was Miss Spain, and I'm so happy to be here. I can work with this organization and with this beautiful and powerful woman, that we will help our women be more empowered. So I'm so happy, and I hope to see all of you in the next event.
Thank you.
In this industry for 2 years, and I'm certified internationally, like London College of Makeup. I do my certification from London College of Makeup. So let's see. That's it. Professional makeup artist, and I'm participating here as a makeup partner here. And this is an event. Khatoon is to explore the woman's power, your inner beauty and outer beauty. So I'm the one who can explore your outer beauty. So that's all the Khatoon event is. Thank you.